Morning everyone. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter number 3, chemical substances and processes. First of all, we know that matter that exists in three forms, and the three forms are solid, liquid and gas. And in the world, every matter is made up of small particles. ये एक tiny particles से मिलके बने होते हैं जिन्हें हम atoms कहते हैं. When these atoms are combined, जब ये atoms combine होते हैं, then we call it molecule. Just like the hydrogen, oxygen, they are atoms. When they combine, they form H2O, which is water. Now it is called molecules. Now materials which are made up of same kind of particles. It means that the same atom of molecules, they are called pure substances. Now these pure substances are classified into three categories: elements, compound and mixture. Now what is a element? So element एक प्योर सब्सटेंस होता है जो अपने ही एटम से मिलके बना होता है. जैसे प्योर फॉर्म में आपको क्या मिलता है? गोल्ड, प्लैटिनम, सिल्वर. दे आर कॉल्ड एलिमेंट बिकॉज दे आर मेड अप ऑफ अ सेम सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड. एंड द कंपाउंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ प्योर सब्सटेंस विच इज मेड अप ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द सेम काइंड ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स, same kind of molecules. And compound consist of atoms of two or more different elements that have combined in a fixed ratio, just like a H2O. It is a compound. और element क्या थे? Iron, gold, platinum, which exist in a independent form, or we can say in case of a compound just like a H2O, in which hydrogen there are two atoms, and oxygen they are always combined in a fixed ratio to make a compound. In the next case, mixture means just like a you are making a tea, and air is also a mixture where there is a no fixed proportion. यानी मिक्सचर में जो कंपोनेंट्स होंगे उसमें कंपोनेंट्स का एक फिक्स रेशो नहीं होगा, उन्हें हम मिक्सचर कहेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट नाउ इट्स एक्टिविटी नंबर 1. एंड द एक्टिविटी नंबर 1, डू इट योरसेल्फ. You have to do the classification. Materials are given: air, iron, water, soil, lemonade, gold, oxygen, and you have to classify as a mixture or a pure substance. Which one are the pure substance or the mixture? And the next one, we are going to start chemical symbol. In the chemical symbol, the given, you have to use these chemical symbols 1 to 20, not from the book. 1 to 20 chemical symbols are there. Just like the first one, hydrogen symbol is H. Next one, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminium Al, calcium Ca, carbon C, nitrogen N, oxygen O, gold Au, silver Ag, potassium K, copper Cu, sulfur S, iron Fe, phosphorus P, chlorine Cl, iodine I, argon Ag, zinc Zn, platinum Pt. So these are the symbols of the various elements. We use these symbols to represent the any element. Now here if you check this, in every case first letter is a capital letter and second is a small letter. In some cases if you check like the sodium symbol is Na. So if we suppose this symbol like this, sodium, we can write it S or So, but here we take the symbol Na. It is because this sodium comes from Latin word natrium and English word soda. So sodium get its name English word soda, and symbol get its name from the Latin word natrium. And in the same way, potassium, it comes from the Latin word kalium. Copper, Latin word cuprium. Iron, Fe, it again gets the name from the Latin word ferrum. Gold, Au, Latin word aurum. Silver, Ag, Latin word argentum. So these are the some elements which get its name from the Latin word, therefore their symbols are different. So you have to write 1 to 20 elements in the fair notebook, and then after also learn them. It will helpful to do the next one. Next, chemical equations, just like the balancing equations and the type of reaction. So here in the next table, name of the symbols of the some common ions. So common ions means there are the some common ions. The positive, the symbol which have a positive charge, the symbol which have a positive charge, they are called cation. and the symbol which have a negative charge, like the negative charge is there, Cl negative, so they are called anion. So when cation and anion are combined they form a chemical. ठीक है, केमिकल फॉर्मूला हमें टेबल नंबर 2 हेल्प करेगा केमिकल फॉर्मूला बनाने में. सो आपको ये चार्जेस भी लर्न करने होंगे, बिकॉज इन एवरी केस व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग द केमिकल फॉर्मूला लाइक अ सोडियम ऑक्साइड, we write the symbol first Na and the oxide is O, and then crisscross. Na के लिए आप charge, if you check this charge, this is +1, and for the oxygen here charge is O2 negative. So O2 negative means charge is 2 negative, so here -2, then after crisscross Na, for Na 2 इसके लैग में आ जाएगा, Na के लैग में, एंड ऑक्सीजन के लैग में 1 हम यहाँ शो नहीं करेंगे. इफ यू चेक द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड. For the aluminium symbol is Al, chloride Cl, and from the table number 2 aluminium, if you check the aluminium, this is Al3 positive, so we write here +3, and for the Cl -1 Al के लैग में जाएगा, which is not shown here, we are not showing the +1 or -1, but for the Cl +3 goes in the lag, so formula becomes AlCl3. And the next one I will give you the some more questions to make the formula, and you will use table number 1 and the table number 2 to make the formulas of the compounds, and after that we will do the balancing the chemical equations. So you have to balance the chemical equations. I will make separate video on balancing the chemical equation. Then after, types of reactions are also there, and the types of reaction, and it starts from the last page, and this is the page number 39 and page number 40. Only have one page is left, and I will make also the separate video on this type of composition, types of chemical reaction, and the types of chemical reaction you can also watch this on the YouTube. I will also send you the videos, then after your chapter will be finished. So right now you have to go to the page number 1, read it. Page number 1 means first page of this chapter, and read it, and also write this 1 to 20 first names, then after draw the second table, then after I will also give you the some more question to make the formulas. Thank you.